In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule social media posts directly from Canva Pro, the paid version of Canva. If you guys have a Canva free account and would like to try this content planner feature, I will leave a link so you can get 30 days of Canva Pro for free. Hello everyone, my name is Diana Munoz. I am a Canva certified creative and also an online instructor. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to get new cool tutorials every week. Okay, are you guys ready for this tutorial? Let's go to my computer. Okay, so here I am in my computer and I already have a design ready that I would like to schedule on our Facebook group. So where do we find this content planner feature? Let's go here next to the download button and let's open this menu. You will see here a couple of options, but you have to click here on show more and go almost till the end of this list. Here you will find the schedule option. So let's open it, and here we'll see a small calendar. So let's say that I want to schedule this post to go live on a Sunday. So let's click here, August Sunday 30th, and here we'll find the time. This time will be adjusted to your local time. So for example, if I leave here 12 a.m., this will go live 12 a.m. Sydney time. Okay, so go here, done. Okay, so in this window, Canva let us know the date and the time that we selected for this specific visual or design. So let's select a social media platform. So in this case, I already connected my Facebook group to my Canva. But if you haven't done so, you can just click here on the only option that you will see is this one, schedule to, and you can select one of these options. And many of you may be wondering, so where is Instagram? So Canva is still working in the integration with Instagram, and that's why we don't see it right here on this list, but hopefully it will be done very soon and we'll be able to schedule some posts for Instagram directly from Canva. Okay, so for this example, I will go back here and select my Spanish Facebook group. You can follow Canva steps to integrate your social media with Canva. It's actually pretty easy. I already did it and it was just like 3 different clicks. You have to go to your Facebook group and add Canva, the Canva app, and then come back to Canva. It was really simple. Okay, so in this case, we need to pay attention to the little messages that Canva is going to provide to us. So for example, here I have selected PNG. That's actually the default option, and it's giving me here a little message that it says you have selected more pages than this platform accepts. Please check your selection or we'll proceed using the accepted limits. So this is because on this design I have 2 different pages. So Canva can only select one of them, and that's why I'm getting this message. In this case, I guess I want to publish a GIF so I can have this little movement on my final post. So let's click here on GIF, and here I can select either the first page or the second page, or actually I can merge the 2 pages into just one GIF. So yeah, that's a cool option, I guess. But in this case, I will just select the first page and click here on done. And then we can actually write something here, a little caption that will go next to this visual. So let's click here on schedule post. Okay, our design is scheduled, and here Canva is giving us some information about this post. So it's giving us again the date, time, and where this image is going to be public. So we can either make a copy of this design, you see here, or we can go directly to the content planner. So Canva is offering us this option because when this design is scheduled, we cannot come back to edit the design. We cannot go back to this document. If not, the schedule will be paused. So I will show you exactly what I mean. Let's go to the content planner, and here we'll see our post. I don't know if my internet is slow or what is the reason, but usually you will see here a small preview of your design, and here we have the content planner. If you have many other designs scheduled here on Canva, you will see them here on your content calendar. In this case, I only have one, the one that we just created, so we see it here. And you can access this content planner with this menu bar on the left. You will see here, like if I go to my home page, you will still see it here, and it's really easy to access. Okay, now I want to show you what happens if I try to edit the same design that I just scheduled. So let's click here, and we will see this little window. It says editing this design will post the scheduled post. So if you really want to work on this document, but you still want to keep this design scheduled on your content planner, just make a copy. If not, I will show you. Let's edit this design. We are here inside the design. We can make all the changes. But if I go here to the content planner, you will see that this design is not scheduled. Okay, so after you finishing editing your design, you can just go here to schedule, and you have all the settings as before. You don't have to redo everything again, which I find it really cool. And then just click here on save and schedule. We are going back again to the content planner because I still have to show you some other options that we can access from the content planner. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that I'm going to leave a link where you can find more information and frequently asked questions about the content planner, so make sure to check it out. Okay, so the last thing that I want to show you here is that if we click here on our design, the design that we just scheduled, so let's just click here, we can actually have a preview of the design, and we can see all the settings like date, time, where this is going to be published, the caption, everything. But also we have here a little menu, so we can open it and we can change the date and time, we can edit the design, we can make a copy, and we can actually delete the post. And when we delete the post, it doesn't mean that we are erasing the design from our Canva account. This means just deleting this scheduled post. So I'm going to show you. If I click here, the scheduled post is gone. But if I go to all your designs, I can see my design here. It is not gone, it's still here. I can open it and work with it, and I can also schedule it again or do whatever I want to do with it. If you want to learn more about Canva, I'm going to leave you some tutorials right here that will help you a lot. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on this button. That's all for now. I wish you a nice day and see you in the next tutorial. Ciao!